This video is demonstrating the ability to meet CCPA and GDPR encryption of personal data. In this example we are using the MySQL database, for it is in the top 2 most popular in the world, and used by companies like Facebook, Verizon, Sony, NASA, JP Morgan Chase & Co., Bank of America, Tesla, YouTube, WordPress, Twitter and so many more. We encrypt MySQL, DB2, Oracle, PostgreSQL, SQL Server, Teradata, Redshift, Snowflake, MongoDB, HDFS and S3, and others. The importance of this demonstration is to show the solution to why near 100% of all Fortune companies as well as the small to medium businesses are not meeting CCPA and GDPR nor most any regulatory compliance. This issue we have solved is the ability for the primary databases used for e-commerce and websites to meet compliancy and the security of personal data yet allow the ability for non-encrypted data to function as usual with the secured encrypted compliant personal data. Here we see the MySQL customer table has no encrypted data and the name Lisa and Jennifer that we will use shortly. We now do a simple website search pointing directly to the port for the MySQL database for Jennifer and Lisa and see the data is presented simply fine as expected. We now connect to the MySQL database and select the sample table. We then select to decrypt for the email, IP address, phone number and credit card numbers patterns and the name of Lisa and when found they will be encrypted. Now that the process has completed, we view the metadata to see where the patterns and values were found that we encrypted. We can search for as many personal data patterns and as many values in each process as we desire. Any encrypted data can be decrypted later with proper authority. Here is the table before encryption and after a refresh we see that the credit card, email, IP address, phone number and the name Lisa are all encrypted as we selected them to be. Now we search for Jennifer as we did earlier, but instead of having readable data returned we see the encrypted data is returned as we would expect as it is encrypted in the sample table. Now we search for Lisa as we did earlier, though with Lisa being encrypted, no results were found as would be expected. Now we start the MySQL proxy, setting it to process and as you see we used port 8085. This is the port that you would change your MySQL port to in your WordPress or e-commerce or website next to your IP address. The proxy will then do the following technological marvel. Now when we search for Jennifer once again against the encrypted data, the proxy was able to match and convert the encrypted data to be presented in a readable representation. Now we search for the name Lisa. As you recall Lisa is now encrypted, yet we through the proxy were able to still find Lisa and decrypt her name and other values and like with Jennifer, display the encrypted information in a readable format.
The proxies we have developed are the key to companies' ability to become CCPA, GDPR or most any regulatory compliancy. Again we offer proxies for MySQL, Oracle, SQL Server, MongoDB, PostgreSQL, with Redshift, Snowflake, Hadoop HDFS, S3 and others on the way. For information reach Steve at 847-440-4439 that's Steve at 847-440-4439.